Xactimate artificially suppresses pricing, and here's how they do it. First off, Xactimate has no transparency in terms of where are they sampling their data from. Are they using expensive suppliers for the cost of 2x4s or the cheapest supplier? I'll let you guess that. And secondly, they also claim that they allow you to submit your feedback. Did you know that up to 90% of the feedback submitted to Xactimate comes from two sources: adjusters and contractors that are bound by insurance pricing on programs and TPAs? Guys, the reality is this: Xactimate doesn't want to know the real pricing. If they wanted to know real pricing, they could call you and ask you. I'll ask you a question. Has anyone from Xactimate ever asked you, are your prices higher? Are you wanting to charge more? No. Why? Because they don't want to know. They can't handle the truth. Xactimate has a vested interest to keep the prices lower. They only poll people they know that are not going to be raising the prices. Adjusters and program contractors that can't. If they really wanted to know how much needed to be charged, they could simply call you. But they don't, and they won't. Why? Well, because they're crooks.